Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. This video is about creating pages, capture pages, websites as you might call it, and this is for beginners. And even if you're not a beginner and you're marketing anything online, this can be for you also. But I'm going to show you how to make simple capture pages or simple pages from this system called the Conversion Pros. And my name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and I just love making these videos to show others how my marketing is being done. And what you're looking at here is my back office in the Conversion Pros, and I'm going to show you how to create your page or pages. And I'm going to show you how simple it is. So if you're a beginner and you wanting to start out, if you're wanting a page that will promote your business opportunity, it doesn't matter what business you're in, you can use this system to promote it or build pages surrounding your product or your business opportunity. Okay, we're in the back office. Let's go over here to Page Builders. This is what you're going to see once you log in. And if you haven't got an account yet, if you haven't started yet, you can get you a free trial today. I think it's 14-day free trial. We're going to click on Page Builders right here. Okay, then we're going to, just a second. We're going to create a page. And when you click on create a page, see all these down here are pages that I have created. When you create a page, when you want to create a new page, you just click create, and you can choose any template that's already laid out for you to revise to your purpose or what you want it to say. Let's just go up here and we're going to just choose this page right here. You can preview it or edit. What we want to do is click on edit. And here we are. We are at the editing page. And your title, you can put a name to your page right here. Just say creating, if that would stay in there, creating a new page. And then right here is page name. Let's just say Page Builder. And you're going to make it all together as one word. And then let's go over here and start editing a few. Right here we have create the life you always wanted. If you want to edit that, you just click edit. And you can just highlight that and start typing what you want to type in there. Let's move me over here for a minute. We're going to select this, and let's just say we are creating a new page. And you can put what you want in there. This is just an example on how you can create your pages. If you're selling just say CBD oil, you can just put up there what you want to put in. Hey, how about trying out my CBD oil, or how about being a part of a business that's booming and it's all involved around the cannabis plant, and it's growing like wildfire. Anything you can put in there, but you want to keep it short and sweet. And once you edit this page, you can click stop editing. Just edit your title, and you can go down here and you want to save it. Always save your work. Save Lander right here. And okay, we're going to just say we're gonna just delete this part right here, all this space right here where you want to uh, uh, get information from your subscribers. This is going to be a capture page if you want it to be a capture page, or you can just make it an informational page. Okay, let's delete this right here. Say, are you sure? Yes. So we deleted that. And let's go over here, edit component. I'm going to show you how to put a form back in there. Edit component. All you have to do is click right here and go over here to the right. We can bring this form over here, right here. Just place it up underneath that. Okay. And we're going to click to edit content. We're going to click it, and it's going to take you over to how you want your form to be. If you want the full name of a person or email, this is going to be subscribers subscribing to your page. And if you want full name, and email and phone number, let's click right there. You can use that form right there. And we don't want to save it yet, but you can redirect this page wherever this form is going to take them. It could be your just say your video on your main business opportunity. It could be your corporate website or whatever. You put it right in here. Okay. And let's just save it. Okay, there it is right there. See? So we want to take out a little bit more information, but we want to put some more information inside of here. Let's put a video on this page. Let's go over here, and we're gonna just go to edit content, and here are your videos right here. You could put a picture there, or you can put a video in there. This is a drag and drop page builder. All you have to do is drag and drop, and you're creating your page. Okay, let's click on this YouTube emerald right here and put it right up under here. Okay, and so we just if we want to edit that, we'll go over here, and let's go over to YouTube and just bring out that's one of my friends there. She's advertising this as well. Let's go over here and let's type in David Dubs and bring him up. And we're gonna see what we can see of him. And all we are doing now is finding a video. The Conversion Pros. Okay. Okay, here's one right here by David Dubs. He promotes this system. I think the owner of this system, co-owner or something. But anyway, he's a great recruiter, and he's my mentor. And we're gonna click on this page right here. Click on this video right here, and we're gonna click share, and we're gonna copy that video URL, and we're gonna go back to editing the video, and we're gonna place the URL right here. Paste it in there, and then you might not get this right off, but then you will get it as you go in, get your free trial and start learning for yourself, and you'll see how easy it is to build these pages. We're going to click save, and there's your video right there. See, that's your form right here for your subscribers. And if you want to just say add some text, we go back over here to edit components. Don't forget to save your page. Go down here and save, so you won't lose anything just in case something happens. Okay, we're gonna go over here. We already clicked edit components. We want to put some wordings in there. We'll just click. Let's move me over here again. We're going to click the H1 text, and we're going to bring it over here, and we're going to put it right under this video. Okay. And then if we want to, you just get it back out the way. Just click edit components again. But if you want to edit this text right here, just click edit component. When you place your pointer over the text and everything, then you have the option to edit it. And then you can say what you want to say. Fill in the form below. Okay, we're going to stop editing, but we're going to save Lander. And if we want to go back into it, we'll click, if we want to change this form, the style, the size of the your wordings, just click style. And it's going to take you to this dialog box here. We can click on, okay, the size. We can make it smaller. See how it got smaller? Or we can make it bigger. Okay, if we don't want it that big, you choose the size that you want. You have your weight. If you want to change the color of the text, all these are different colors in here. You just click in and change it to the color you want and click choose. And there we go, see. And we can change the style right here. Okay. See how we changed it there? That's changing your font. And just come in and play around with it, and we're gonna just go down here and save Lander. Okay, you have edited your topic. You have put in your video. Then you put in your form down here for your subscribers. Then you put in how to bring them into signing in to your capture page. This is a capture page I made it, but if you just want it to be a page, and all this you can delete. You say what you want it to say. Okay. This is your style button. Once they fill in this in right here, you want to take them to whatever page you want to take them to. Okay, again, you can edit the component. Go over here, and this is where your not email address, but this is where your link go to whatever page you want it to go to. Okay, let's go back to, we're going to close that out. We're going to save this. This is just an example of how you can build your own pages. This is for beginners. This is for the advanced marketers. This is good. Once you create the page, you are collecting leads to your business. And we're going to go back to the home page. And we're going to check out I don't want to just